Hello and welcome to a Major Droid unboxing video. Today we're unboxing this brown cardboard box. Yeah, not as exciting as it sounds, but thankfully I'm joking. This is just a package, it arrived just now. And inside, Redmi Note 7. It's Xiaomi's new phablet. It came out like 3 months ago, and we got one for a review. So for now it's just gonna be an unboxing video. The review will come later, but you gotta be patient. Good things come to those who wait. But yeah, this is the Redmi Note 7, and yeah, it's a really nice looking box. I like it, and really nice design. And here are the specs on the back. So what we got? We got two dual camera setup with it says 48 megapixels plus 5. And I'm guessing the 5 is the depth sensor. I'm pretty sure it has no telescopic lens. So we got a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus screen, which is it's okay. I mean, it is a phablet after all. We got a Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 chipset and a bit more battery. We got 4 amp hours instead of 3. That usually comes in phones. So that's good news for those who use their phones a bit more. Yeah. So the vacuum test. Let's see. Now that's great. Linear, it's just really nice. And yeah, you can see they put a lot of effort into their packaging. So the first thing you get here is the phone itself. So we'll leave that for the end. But for now, let's check out what else we got. We got 2 booklets here. I'm pretty sure those are just, yeah, it says user guide and warranty card. So it's just like quick start documentation and warranty. So we'll set that aside, nothing important there. And here we also have the charger and the cable. This is the standard cable that Xiaomi packages with most of their phones, at least from what I've seen. I think 1 meter is this. This is USB-C, yeah, and the standard rubbery cable. It's nothing really special. At least it's thicker. I mean, the cable on the Galaxy S9 that you get with it, it's a lot less thick than this, so hopefully it should last longer. Here we also got a charger, and the charger, from what I see, it's not really, it has no quick charge, so it's 5 volts to amp. It's really nothing new, and maybe that might be too slow for like 4 amp hour phone, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be fine. And yeah, I've checked and there's nothing else in the box, so it's kinda, guess you could say, basic, unless there's something else in here. So here is the phone, and oh yeah, it comes with something else. It's the case. So we got a soft case. I think it's called soft TPU or something. It's a silicone case, black, and yeah, I guess it looks fairly nice to those who like glossy silicone, and it's not really thick, so that's something. It shouldn't really change the shape of the phone too much. And yeah, this is the phone, glass back here, as we can see. Here's the dual camera setup, and you may not see because of the badly applied screen protector, but here's the notch. So it does have a notch, really small, but yeah, it shouldn't be really too intrusive. It's just kind of like a little drop here. So yeah, I won't turn on the phone now. We'll take a look at its software and everything. We'll turn it on in the review. For now, we're just kind of showing what's in the box and what do you expect, what's the unboxing experience. So yeah, this was the unboxing experience, and yeah, there's nothing much else. I think I've checked all of this. So yeah, pretty bare bones in one way, but okay. I mean, what else do you need when you got a phone like this? But yeah, we're gonna check more details in the review, but for now, this is gonna be it. So stay tuned for the review and take it easy.